Hey guys, welcome back to another video for Appier Solutions. In this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you the Cabal Infinite combo codes, the latest ones in November, which are updated, and all of them are working, guys. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you these codes that are actually working. So we have different codes right here. All of these works, guys. So you can do first Cabal Rocks, there's U1 support, Chaos Ruby, Extreme Core. You can try all of these in the so you want to make sure you actually put these in for because these are basically valid for a certain amount of time. So you want to be quick to enter these in the game, guys. So if you want more codes, there are other websites as well. You can just come and search this on Google. I'm going to show you there's actually many websites, guys. Look, there's many websites. You just want to find the ones that have, updated. Look, this one's 28th October. This one's 30th October. You just want to find basically the latest websites and you get the codes there as well. The reason I'm showing you these websites is because, just in case, these codes are expired, you can actually access newer codes. If I just show you codes in the video, this video will be obsolete in maybe a month, right? So I hope you appreciate that, guys. If you appreciate that, make sure you like. You can comment down below if the codes are still working. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Appier Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next